Okay, here comes another game called the factor game. And Wendy's going to explain to me, and we're going to demonstrate. She's a math guru.
Okay, so the room is divided into two, and it is post-divisibility rules and that kind of stuff. And so what you do is you're trying to get the highest score. So, team.
Okay, keep going.
So the team number on the board that they think will gain them the highest value, and you demonstrate one of them and show them that if they pick 16, then the other team gets every factor of 16. So then they think about it for a minute and they realize some of them think, oh, I want to pick 7 because there's no factors of 7. But in actuality, they probably wanted to pick 29.
Do they not get 1 and 29?
It takes them a couple minutes to realize, and then all of a sudden they all aha.
When you say the factors, do you get 1 in that number too?
Well, if 1 is gone though, so yes, you would get 1. No, you get.
If you pick 7,
then they get 1. Then the green team would get 1.
Oh,
Then
okay.
the green team picks the number they think would be the most beneficial to them that has the least amount of factors. So let's say they catch on, because it takes them about 1 or 2 picks, and then they get it. So then they'll pick 29, and then they realize, because they all of a sudden aha kicks in, and there's no factors of 29 left on the board.
Okay.
And pretty soon you get down to the point, and they start arguing amongst each other because they want to take
Okay, so let me get this going so I can get this called. I'll give you a pen. I need to find a way to prop this up so it doesn't fall. All right, here we go. Ready, Freddie? Okay, the object's here. I'm going to be Leslie, and you can be Wendy, okay?
Oh, that's good.
Do you want to go up and down, or do you want to go across? Vertical or horizontal?
Cross.
You're horizontal, and I'm going to go up and down. Okay, and what we're doing is we're trying to come up with the greatest number possible. And so you get to, I'm going to let you start, and you pick any number on the board possible. And remember, your goal is to aim for the highest number possible. All right, let's say you pick the 3 here. Then, because I'm going up and down, I have to pick a number somewhere in that column. And then once I pick a number in that
And
column,
you're trying to pick the biggest number.
well, at the same time, but I'm trying to set you up, and we always add on to, it's an addition of integer kind of thing.
Right.
Okay, so you can be blue, no, you can be black, since you already have
Okay,
black.
so there's circle.
Yeah. And then you write down a 3 here, because that's your score right now. And because I'm going up and down, I'm going to pick a number, and at the same time I'm picking a number, I'm trying to set you up for a low number. And I'm not seeing...
Because you're blocking me, or because you've
No,
taken
I'm
the
trying.
number?
Well, no, I'll show you. Hold on. I'm going up and down, and I'm trying to pick the number. I want you to get a low. I want you to get low. I want to try to get high, but at the same time, to get high. So I'm going up and down. So I'm just going to pick a -4. Okay. So you have to pick something in that row. But at the same time, you're trying to set me up, okay? So you add 2 onto that, and you get 5. Hold on. So you're trying to say 5 now. You need that. Okay, and because I'm going up and down, I picked something in this column, but at the same time, I'm trying to set you up. And -1 is actually my best one to pick. So -4, -1 is -5, and you have to pick something in that row now. So, okay, so now I have to pick something with this -4, and at the same time I'm trying to hook you up with something. And see, and I could pick this 3, but then you can take the -1, which isn't very bad. Whereas if I take the 2, which is 1, you're still going to be able to take a -3, but So I'm going to take the 2, and I'm going to say my score is now a -3. Oh, I like that 2 right there, Wendy. Thanks. So I'm going to take the 2. -3 and 2 is -1.
Okay, so I should have taken that one.
So it's just a strategy also. It's not only working on addition of integers, but it's also a strategy where you kind of plan. So you're going to take the 3. Well, I'm going to go, but I'm trying to hook you up with something bad too. If I take the -6, you have to take a -9 or a -11. If I take the -5, you got the -. So I'm going to take the -6, and -1, -6 is -7. So you're going to take the -9. Now I can take I'm going to take the 3, and so I'm going to be at -4. So now I've got a -8, -10, -5. Well, of course I'm going to -5. So I'm at -9. Okay, and I have to take this, because that's all that's left. So I'm going to take the -5, which puts me at -14. But the game still goes on.
Up and down.
Oh, did I not? I'm sorry, I screwed up. Ooh, thank you. My bad, silly Billy. Okay, so what did you just take?
I took this.
Okay, ah, screwed. So I have to take the negative 11, which was be negative 20, and because there's no way for you to go, the game is over, and I lose and you win, because you have the higher
So I
number.
accidentally picked a good one.
So you accidentally, so anyway, but thank you for your time.
Sure.